To remove the front wheel arch liner,
we need to remove this 3 push-in plug. So you just use a small Allen key and push the pin fully in, and then you can use any tools just to try to pry the board out, and they are going to be out like this. So push it fully in. This already pushed fully in. The pin can be collected after we remove the liner. We can collect the pin. So at the front we have this pull-out pin plug. We can use any tool. Just pull the pin out. Partially out is okay, and then you can pry the plug out. And the rest, so we have all those. Use 8mm socket to remove all those hex-headed screw. And one is here, and another one is here. Top one, and here, and here. At the bottom of the car, we need to remove this screw 8mm socket, and that screw 8mm socket, and that nut over here. So for the nut, you would better use a deeper socket like this. For others, shallow socket is okay. So like this, normal socket is okay, 8mm. For this one, because the rod is rather long, so it's better to use a deeper socket or a small spanner to remove this, you see. Okay. At the bottom, we also need to remove this end of this lower cover, because it's holding that one. So we at least need to remove the 2 pins here. This is a pull-out pin. Pull it out, then press out the plug, and this is similar. The pull-out pin plug, just pull the central pin out, and then press out this one. So this is the pin when you pull it out from here, and then you can just press it out. So after the two pin pull out here, and you can see now it's come loose here.
So now you can see we have a wheel arch liner removed.
And you can see here there's a lot of accumulated dust, mud over here. Here we have 1 pin, and here there is another one. I'm going to try to find the 3rd one.